Welcome to Endless Biotech's step-by-step guide for transplanting clones in your home grow. Clones are delicate and need to be properly cared for immediately after receiving them. This guide outlines the steps for bringing them home safely, acclimating them to their new environment, transplanting them into larger pots, and ensuring they receive proper nutrients and light. Step 1. Inspect your clones. Before opening your clones, sanitize the exterior of the shipping container for cleanliness. Step 2. Prepare your environment. Endless Biotech acclimates rooted clones to an environment of 76 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit and a humidity of 65 to 70%. Before your clones arrive, make sure you match these conditions for optimal growth. Step 3. Check and prepare your lighting requirements. Place your clones under mild LED or CMH lighting with a vegetative leaning spectrum that includes blue light. Adjust your PAR to roughly 75 micromoles. Allow clones to acclimate for a few hours in this environment after transportation. Step 4. Removing from shipping containers. The trays contain nutrients meant to last through transportation only. After acclimation, dump out the nutrients and flush each plug with roughly 50 milliliters of fresh clone nutrients at 2.0 EC and a pH of 5.8. We recommend using Athena Pro or blended lines for nutrients. Once your clones are flushed, it's time to transplant them to their permanent home. Step 1. Timing. Transplant the clones as soon as possible into their future growing medium, ideally after a few hours of acclimating to their new environment. Step 2. Preparing your medium. If you're using Groden Stonewall blocks, follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using cocoa, read the label of your cocoa before transplanting. Step 3. Acclimating light conditions. Provide 18 hours of vegetative light per day after transplanting. LED or CMH lights are recommended. Following these instructions will help ensure your clones thrive from the moment they arrive, through the acclimation process, and into their new growing environment.